Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from digestive issues with Activia, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the digestive issues you are experiencing. Common symptoms may include bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea. If you notice persistent symptoms, consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Once you have a clear understanding of your digestive issues, consider dietary changes. Introduce probiotics into your diet, as they can help restore gut balance. Activia yogurt is a popular choice because it contains specific probiotic cultures. Start incorporating Activia into your daily routine. Aim for a serving size of 4 to 6 ounces per day. Consume it at a time that suits you, such as with breakfast or as a snack. Pair Activia with fiber-rich foods for additional digestive support. Options include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. This will help optimize digestion and prevent constipation. Monitor your body's response to Activia and adjust your intake if necessary. If symptoms worsen, consult with a healthcare provider for further evaluation. Be patient, as it may take several days to notice improvements. Continue to maintain a balanced diet and regular exercise routine. These lifestyle factors play a significant role in digestive health. Remember that everyone's body reacts differently to probiotics. Keep a food diary to track what works best for your digestion. This can help identify any triggers or foods that exacerbate your issues. Consider reducing processed foods and sugars, which may cause inflammation. Include stress management techniques such as yoga or meditation in your routine. Managing stress is important for overall digestive health. Lastly, ensure you are getting enough sleep each night. Quality rest supports your body's natural healing processes. By following these steps, you can promote a healthier digestive system with Activia. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.